How to watch Amazon Prime monthly. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can pay for Amazon Prime monthly, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd basically like to pay for Amazon Prime monthly, you can do this if you have an annual subscription, right? You want to switch to a monthly subscription so that you can pay monthly. First of all, go to primevideo.com, then just tap and go to amazon.com to watch, right? I'm going to land on this page here where you just need to tap your profile icon from the top right here, and then here you'll find the option called your Prime membership, so you want to tap on it. Once you tap on your Prime membership, if you have a plan, then you'll find those plans here, but if you don't, then you'll find start your 30-day trial over here, and where you basically need to make sure to first of all enter your payment details, tap the start button, and then you'll find the option to change the plan. So if you have an annual plan, you'll find the option to basically switch to the monthly plan over here. And that's it on how you can go ahead and then actually change your Amazon Prime plan to monthly. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.